Today, we bring you a heart-touching incident involving a baby elephant who faced an unexpected trouble during its quest for food. This incident unfolded in a quaint village located near the forest, where farmers toil day and night to make ends meet. The village was in the midst of a drought, and the lack of water had made life even more challenging for both humans and animals alike. These farmers, despite their meager resources, rely heavily on agriculture to sustain themselves and their families. One morning, as the sun began to rise, a compassionate farmer ventured into the grain field. The farmer was greeted by an anguished wail that echoed through the stillness of the morning. It was a mournful cry, one that resonated with pain and desperation. Curiosity piqued, the farmer followed the sound and was led to a heart-wrenching sight. There, in the middle of the grain field, lay a pit that had been dug for collecting water to irrigate the crops. However, due to the prevailing drought, the pit remained dry and empty. But it wasn't the pit itself that caught the farmer's attention. It was the trapped baby elephant struggling within its confines. The poor creature had inadvertently stumbled into the pit while searching for sustenance. As it attempted to find a way out, its small frame only sank deeper into the muddy hole. The baby elephant's despair was palpable, and its eyes conveyed the fear and helplessness it felt. Understanding the urgency of the situation, the farmer quickly informed his fellow villagers. The news rapidly spread throughout the village, drawing the community together in their shared concern for the trapped baby elephant. Recognizing the need for professional assistance, one villager promptly contacted the wildlife office, ensuring that the authorities were aware of the situation and could offer their expertise. While the villagers awaited the arrival of the wildlife officers, they ensured the baby elephant was comforted by providing it with nourishing food, understanding the importance of sustenance during its challenging ordeal. They offered jackfruits, banana, etc., with great love and care. One compassionate villager poured water over the elephant's body, preventing dehydration. The elephant gratefully accepted the offerings, its appetite eagerly consuming the nourishment. It stretched out its trunk, an unspoken plea for assistance. The elephant, despite its struggles, demonstrated determination, attempting to climb out of the pit multiple times. However, its heavy body structure thwarted its efforts, and it slipped back into the depths of the pit. Just as hope seemed distant, wildlife officers arrived at the scene, equipped with a JCB machine. However, the nature of the field posed a challenge. Driving the JCB directly through the terrain was impossible. Undeterred, the officers loaded the JCB onto a tracker and brought it to the location, ready to execute their plan. As the JCB operator began digging an inclined pathway from the pit's wall, the elephant grew nervous and mischievous. It nervously attempted to strike the excavator's fan, causing a disruption to the operation. In an effort to redirect its attention, villagers offered twigs and leaves, enticing the elephant to focus elsewhere and allow the digging process to continue. Despite the challenges, the dedicated efforts of the wildlife officers persevered, gradually creating a pathway for the elephant to climb and escape the pit's confines. Finally, the pathway was complete, offering hope to the captive elephant. With cautious steps, the intelligent elephant utilized the pathway crafted for its freedom. As it emerged from the pit, a wave of relief washed over the villagers, their faces beaming with happiness and satisfaction. However, as the elephant stands on the threshold, surrounded by the gathering of the villagers and the unfamiliar JCB machine, it displays signs of nervousness. Recognizing the importance of guiding the elephant towards its natural habitat, the wildlife officers decided to take swift action. They had to guide the elephant towards the forest. Otherwise, if the elephant walks towards the village again, it will encounter another trouble or danger once more. So the officers employ rubber bullets as a gentle deterrent and light fires in the sky as signals to guide the elephant towards the forest. Gradually, the elephant heeds the call, stepping cautiously into the embrace of the forest, where it can thrive and live in harmony. We hope this tale of compassion and unity has touched your hearts, inspiring us all to cherish and protect the magnificent creatures we share our planet with. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey.